how to update or edit your Facebook page description. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your Facebook page and not to your Facebook profile. If you are signed into your Facebook profile, then tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the arrow-like icon you see there right beside your profile name and you will be switched to your Facebook page. So once you have opened your Facebook page, tap on menu again and then tap on your page name. Here you will be able to view all your page descriptions. So in order to edit or update the page description, simply tap on your bio you see there, and in the menu that appears you will see the option for edit bio. So tap on the edit bio option and then go ahead and make any required changes that you want. Once you have done making the required changes, tap on the save option on the top right of your screen, and with this, your page description will be updated. So this is how you can update or edit your Facebook page description. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.